When it comes to expressing possibility, permission, and suggestions in English, the modal verbs may and might are essential tools in our language toolbox. While they often seem interchangeable, there are subtle yet important differences between them that can change the nuance of what we're saying. Let's start with possibility. When I say, it may rain later, I'm indicating a stronger likelihood that rain is on the way. This suggests a 50% chance or more, according to some sources. It feels more definitive, doesn't it? On the other hand, if I say, we might go to the park, I'm expressing a weaker possibility. It's uncertain. It depends on various factors, like the weather or how we feel. The word might introduces a sense of hesitation, making it less assertive. Now, let's talk about permission. If I want to borrow someone's pen, I would say, may I borrow your pen? This is a polite and formal way to ask for permission. The use of may here elevates the request, making it sound respectful and courteous. In contrast, if I were to say, might I borrow your pen? It sounds a bit more tentative and less common. It's not wrong, but it lacks the same level of formality and confidence that may conveys. When it comes to suggestions, might takes the lead. If I say, you might want to try the new restaurant downtown, I'm offering a suggestion in a polite and gentle manner. It's less forceful, allowing the other person the freedom to consider it without feeling pressured. May isn't typically used for suggestions in this context. It's more about making a statement of possibility. Lastly, let's dive into past hypothetical situations. Here, might shines again. For example, if I say, he might have missed his train, I'm discussing a possibility that occurred in the past, but didn't actually happen. It's a way of reflecting on what could have been, adding a layer of uncertainty to the situation. So, to sum it all up, may indicates a stronger possibility and is more formal, often used for wishes and formal permission. Might, on the other hand, suggests a weaker possibility, is less formal, and is commonly used for suggestions and discussing past hypotheticals. Understanding these nuances can enhance our communication, making it clearer and more effective.